In this video, I'm going to be playing along with this Smash That 6x6 paper pad, and I'm using Miss Sparkle & Company, my Halloween set. Stay tuned. Hello, my crafty friends. This is Nikki of Little Crafty Nook, and I am using the last few pieces of my Halloween paper pad from Miss Sparkle & Company to make some Halloween cards and to play along with Deb Houck's collaboration. I'm going to be using my Nuvo drops. I've got Golden Sunset, Violet Galaxy, Ebony Black, and Bottle Green. I am using these darling little pumpkin dies from a Stamps of Life stamp and die set. And this stamp set, I'm not sure what it's from. It doesn't say. And some kitties and some bling. So, let's get started. I also used my felt bats from Etsy. And here is a piece that I just cut down with my decorative scissors. I stamped with this. This is the Nuvo drops. This is my pumpkin. Now this back piece, I don't know where it came from, but I had it in my stash. I had a couple pieces, and so I went ahead and used it. So there's my first one. And here's the second one. I put googly eyes. They didn't come like this. I had to glue the googly eyes on. And same thing, this pumpkin paper is from Stampin' Up. And there's a little kitty and the bling. And this is also the violet. I went ahead and stamped. I used both my VersaFine Black and then Elegant Eggplant from Stampin' Up. Okay, now the last three, I made 5 total. The last three will be using this green paper for the background. And I also used my stitch rectangles, and I had one piece of this glittery paper, and I made a frame. I made 2 actually, and so I used the inside, the leftover from the inside on here, and then I put, this paper is also from Stampin' Up. This is from Miss Sparkle & Company, and this is from Stampin' Up. And then my googly-eyed bat, and then stamp this with the purple, and then my little pumpkin. I bought this paper here at a scrapbook expo, just one sheet, and this is about what I had left of it. And I made the frame. I used the frame on the outside, and it didn't quite do what I wanted it to do. But here's my kitty, and I used the Golden Sunset Nuvo drops here, and then my bat. I forgot to do the decorative edges on this one and the witch. Yeah, I didn't cut it with the decorative scissors. But the same concept, I used the inside, the Golden Sunset, and then I had one little ghost that I went ahead and put that down in the corner. So there are my 5 cards. Look forward to some more Halloween cards coming up next month. if you would like to see more cards with my felt bats, I made some from last year. Then I'll put that right here in the corner. So please make sure to watch that. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.